Hello everyone, and what I'm going to share you for today is how to determine your motor if it is good or bad. So for this demonstration, we are using a insulation resistance tester here, and we have a transformer fan motor here that was stuck up for a long period of time. So during our routine test, we noticed that this fan of this motor is not loose, or it's stuck up. So in order to determine if the winding is compromised, we open up the terminal for this motor and try to inject some uh, voltage in it, or 1000 volt DC to be specific. And as you can see now, the reading is around 206, which is acceptable. So the acceptable value for the 1000 volt DC is 100 mega ohms. So for this video, we assume that this motor is still good, and by applying a little force on the blade using a rubber mallet, we loosen up these blades and try to rotate it until it loosen up. And for the next video, I'm going to share you how to dry run test this motor. Thank you.